In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore your PayPal Limited account within 2 to 3 days using precise tips and guides. If you've ever encountered a situation where your PayPal account has been limited, you know how frustrating it can be. But don't worry, because we're here to walk you through the process step by step. First things first, head over to PayPal's official website. Once there, locate the login button, which should be easy to spot. Click it and you'll be prompted to enter your email address and password. Go ahead and fill in these details to access your account. After you've entered your credentials, click login again to proceed. Once you're logged in, it's crucial to address the limitation immediately. PayPal will usually provide you with steps to follow, so ensure you carefully read and adhere to the instructions. This is an important step for resolving the limitation quickly. After you've familiarized yourself with the steps given by PayPal, scroll down the page until you see the Contact option. Click on it, and this will direct you to the Resolution Center, which is the next essential part of resolving limitations. In the Resolution Center, you'll need to provide any necessary information and documentation that PayPal requires. Sometimes the limitation may have occurred due to missing or outdated information, so make sure everything you'll be submitting is accurate and up to date. Next, it's vital to review the reason given for the limitation. Understanding why the limitation was placed can help prevent it from happening again in the future. At this point, PayPal will guide you through the process of removing the limitation, which might involve additional steps like providing specific documents, verifying your account, or completing other tasks that they suggest. If you believe that the limitation was placed on your account incorrectly or perhaps unjustly, you might have the opportunity to appeal PayPal's decision. The appeal process can be a bit more complex, so it's essential to follow the instructions provided by PayPal very closely. However, if your account is permanently limited, it's good to be aware that PayPal typically holds your funds for a period, often 180 days. This period allows time for any disputes to be resolved, and it's in place as a security measure. By following these steps, you should be well on your way to restoring your account within the time frame of 2 to 3 days. Remember, the key to navigating these issues smoothly is staying informed, reacting promptly, and ensuring all your details are thoroughly checked and accurate. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you towards efficiently resolving your PayPal account limitation.